For my chapter 14 Teach It video, I chose to do this problem, which is 14.2b number 6. The problem says find the area of each of the following figures if the distance between two adjacent dots in a row or column is 1 unit. I drew them ahead of time because I tried drawing them out on previous videos and it took too long and I was really bad at it. So I drew them out so you didn't have to watch me struggle through that. Okay, so to find the area of each, I'm going to start by drawing a box around them to make it a little easier to break down the spaces. Okay, from there I'm going to break them into shapes that I recognize, like this here, and then this one and this one, so that I have triangles and squares. So then this is a square and it's just 1 unit because we know that they're each 1 unit. This is 2 by 1, it's a triangle, so 2 times 1 is 2, times 1/2 is 1. This is 2 times 1, which is also 1. This has a height of 1 and it's hard to tell, but it's over 3 units, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, times 1/2 is 1.5. This is 2 again and 1 unit. 2 times 1 times 1/2 is 1 again. This is just a square, this is just a square, and then there's this triangle, which is a height of 1 and a base of 3. So that's 3 times 1 divided by, or times by 1/2, which is 1.5 again. So then I'm going to add those up. 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I should have 10. Because I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2/2 is 10. Okay, so great. So what does that do me? So now what I'm going to do is do the overall area of the square, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 units by 1, 2, 3, 4 units, which is 4 by 4, which is what? 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 units minus the 10 that weren't included. Oh, this does not look like a 6. Equals 6 units. So that means that this little area here that I didn't box off is 6 units. Okay, for the next one, I'm just going to do the exact same thing and hope that it works out. Sometimes if they're not as irregular, you can just count them yourselves. But then you get like lines like this and it makes it confusing. Okay, so first I'm just going to break these into things. Okay, good. Now I have triangles and squares. So this is a unit, this is unit, this is 1 times 1, which is 1 times 1/2, which is 0.5 or half. This is 1 times 1, which is 1 times times half, which is 0.5. This is going to be the same, 1 times 1. And this is 1 times 2, which is 2 times 1/2, which is 1. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4.5. 4.5 units. Now again, I'm going to take the total of here, which is 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 4.5 units equals 4.5 units. So that means that this little guy here in this non-orange area is 4.5 units. All done.